Coming up next Tuesday and Thursday, we'll be hosting Proposition M open houses for the public to see how a potential $48 million zero tax rate increase bond issue would positively affect each building in our district. We'll have more on that as well as other news and notes from throughout the district in this edition of the Fox C6 Strong Minute. We hope to see you for one of our Prop M open houses on Tuesday the 24th here at Fox Middle School or Thursday the 26th at Seckman Middle School. Folks can come anytime between 6 and 8 p.m. There is no formal presentation, but there will be plenty of materials to read, and district administrators will be on hand to answer questions that you might have. Next up, I'd like to say congratulations to our dance teams from both Fox and Seckman High Schools. They each performed at Nationals in Florida this past weekend. Seckman earned 3rd place for small varsity team performance, 5th place for small varsity pom, and superior showmanship as a team. Fox are national champions in small varsity game day, national champions in small varsity kick, and best in category for small varsity kick, and 4th in small varsity pom. They also received a sportsmanship award. Way to represent the district, ladies. Finally, kudos are also in order for the Fox and Seckman girls wrestling teams. Each of them had multiple girls qualify for state. Seckman won the district championship and will have 9 wrestlers making the trip to state, while Fox has 5 girls that qualified. Congratulations on a wonderful season so far, and good luck at state to all of you. That will do it for this edition of the Fox C6 Strong Minute. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic weekend, Fox C6.